Welcome back to another episode of Bob Montego. I'm waking up to a very wonderful Jamaica morning today. Jamaica is a very food secure country, and as I'm looking out over the over my gate, out on the beach road there, I can see a large breadfruit tree. You can see the span of that breadfruit tree. If you turn to the right, you see another huge breadfruit tree. Beyond the breadfruit trees, an ackee tree. You have all these other trees here, ackee tree, custard apple, mangoes, and so forth. Comparing to other foreign countries, like let's say the United States, if there were to be an emergency where the food chain, has been interrupted, the only thing that stands between starvation and millions of people is the doors of the supermarket. And once that supermarket runs out, that is it. Not so for Jamaica. As you can see, almost every yard in Jamaica will grow some sort of trees. A breadfruit tree, ackee tree, a mango tree, coconut tree, guinep trees, apple trees. And this makes up Jamaica's, food security. It is, these fruits grow all over the island, and we are blessed. And even though we are blessed with the quantity of these trees all over the island, freely growing all over the island, I still encourage every household, every family to plant trees. It's a tradition in Jamaica, a very viable tradition. Plant more trees. It only increases the food security. All right. Any disaster, we have enough food on the ground. Like a hurricane, a disaster like a hurricane, we'll have enough food on the ground to store until the trees can be back up and running again. Um, you know, this is one of the amazing and just wonderful things about Jamaica. Thank you for watching Bob Montego, and for waking up with me in Jamaica today.